Bid Group is a leader in operational lifecycle excellence, transformational wood processing technologies, and integrated solutions. Bid Group's 100-year legacy is built on exceptional performance and a steadfast commitment to customers and partners like Rockwell Automation.
Being awarded as an OEM partner is a great honor. It shows to everyone that we promote the same value with our customer and our supplier. Communication, productivity, accountability, and transparency are values that we share and find across the Rockwell ecosystem. When we are working with Rockwell engineering team, system integrator, technician, and salespeople, we know we are working with a partner rather than a supplier. We must also mention our partnership with Lumen. They have been a key player for Bid Group to develop, maintain, and leverage our relationship with Rockwell. On behalf of everyone at Bid Group, we are honored to accept the award for OEM Partner of the Year at the 2024 Partner Network Conference.